Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you a trap in a game which was played between Bobby Fischer and Samuel Reshevsky, in which Fischer with the white pieces got a winning position in just 10 moves. So let's begin. In this game, Fischer had the white pieces and he opened with e4, c5, knight f3, knight c6, d4, so the open Sicilian, then c cross d4, knight cross d4, and g6, the accelerated dragon. Then normal moves, knight c3, bishop g7, bishop e3, knight f6, bishop c4, castling. Now Fischer played bishop to b3, and now black can just play d6 and it becomes the normal dragon variation. But over here, Reshevsky got a bit greedy and played knight a5 attacking the bishop. But now Fischer played the nice move e5. After this, if you take the bishop, then I take your knight, knight cross a1, f cross g7, king cross g7, and queen cross d1. And after this, the material is equal. Yeah, the material is equal, but white has a much bigger lead in development with these three pieces, and also this king is a bit stranded in the middle. Uh, okay, this king is stranded in the middle, but that king is a bit unsafe, the black king. So after bishop b3 and knight a5 e5, Reshevsky played knight e8, and now he thought that on the next move he can just play d6 and take the bishop and he'll be okay. But after knight e8 came the good move that Fischer played. Bishop takes f7. Now it's a check, so you after bishop cross f7, you either take with the rook or the king. If you take with the rook, then knight d6 wins the queen because the knight is trapped, and these two squares are covered by the knight and the bishop. So in the game, after after bishop cross f7, king takes f8 was king takes f7 was played, but the problem is that 96 is still possible. Again, this is pinned, so you cannot take. And if you take this with the king, then instead of losing your queen, you lose the game, because queen to d5 check. Now king f5 is the only legal move, and now g4 check, you must take. And now there is rook g1 check. If the king goes back to f5, then rook g5 is checkmate. If the king goes to h3, queen g2 check, king goes up and queen g4 is checkmate. Then if king to h4, then queen e4, and if king to h5, if king to h3, then queen h4 and queen h2, and if the king goes up, then queen g4 is a checkmate. And over here, if king h5, then there are many ways to checkmate, but the fastest would be queen d1 check, the king must go back, and queen g4 checkmate. So so this is why after knight e6, Reshevsky in the game took the knight, and after queen takes, they continued playing, and on the 42nd move, Reshevsky resigned. So that was a game in. So you can like win, maybe you can use this trick sometimes. If you can play bishop b3 against this accelerated dragon, you can use this setup kind of. And if they play knight a5, then remember this move e5, and if knight e8, bishop cross f7, and Yeah, there's not much else to say for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.